Good morning, dear student. In today's lecture, we will discuss our course CHG, that is General Chemistry 190, section first. So, this paper consists of two sections. Section first is your theory course, and section second is your practical course. So, again, in this 190 theory course, there is a three option. So, for our convenient, we select the elective option third, that is C option, elective option C, that is Introduction to Chemical Biology. So, in today's lecture, we discuss the chapter. We are not very much interested in the syllabus, so we discuss the chapter, that is amino acids and proteins. So, we are very much familiar with these amino acids and proteins. So, what is this amino acids? Amino acids is a group of organic compound. Amino acids are a group of organic compound containing two functional group. So, this amino acid having two functional group, one is carboxylic, and second is amino group is there. So we are very much familiar with this amino acid. So it has two functional group. One is carboxyl, another is amino group. So the carboxyl group is acidic while the amino group is basic. The amino acid are termed as alpha amino acid. They are considered as a alpha amino acid if, so what is the condition for this alpha amino acid? If both carboxyl and amino group are attached to the same carbon, are attached to the same carbon, and then they consider as a alpha amino acid. If you consider its general structure, or it is known as journal structure, so it is not general. So you should remember the pronunciation of this word is not general, it is journal structure. So this R C H, I hear COH is there, and one NH2 group is there. So this is the journal structure or general structure. For our convenient, we consider as general. So this is your general structure of amino acid, but it exists in anionic form. That is R C H COO minus NH3 positive. So it is in ion form, and this is your a general structure. So this is amino acid. So two functional group, one is carboxyl, another is amino. If they both the functional group are attached to the same carbon, then they consider as a alpha amino acid. Okay, so let us discuss the second important point, that is the classification of this amino acid. So we are very much interested in the classification of amino acid. Classification of amino acids. So the classification is based on different ways. So the first way is the classification based on the structure. Classification based on structure. So at least you should know, before discussing the chemistry of amino acid and protein, you should know different amino acids and their structure. So let us discuss the first type of classification based on structure. Again, there is a classification on their chemical nature, their nutritional requirement, and the metabolic fate. So we are very much interested in the classification on the basis of their structure. So let us discuss this classification. So for that classification, we are consider three groups or three column, not groups. We consider three column. One is for name of the amino acid, second is symbol, and the third one is a structure. So you have to make three column: name, then its symbol. For that purpose, name, symbol, and then structure. Name, symbol, and structure. So let us discuss the first one. That is, we can write here. First point: the amino acid with aliphatic side chain. With aliphatic side chain. So we already discussed the general structure, in which the carboxylate group is there, amino group is there, one hydrogen is there, but the R group is vary according to different amino acid. So the first point is amino acid with aliphatic side chain. So which amino acid contain aliphatic amino acid? So the first one is your glycine. So you can write here as a name, then symbol, and then structure. The first one is your glycine. GLY, capital GLY. The symbol is GLY, and if you see the structure, it is CHCOO minus NH3 positive, and here the R group is hydrogen. So you should remember R group is hydrogen in this case. This is your glycine. Let us discuss the second, that is alanine. Alanine, that is ALA, alanine, in which the R group is your methyl group is there. CH3 COO minus NH3 positive. This is your alanine. Third one, that is valine. Valine, VAL, valine. The structure is CHCO minus NH3 positive, and this is your CH3 group is there. So the R group is aliphatic side chain. So these are glycine, alanine, valine. So you should remember the structure. So in the first structure, the R group is hydrogen, second methyl, then it is isopropyl group is there, valine, CH3, CH3. Let us discuss the next one, that is let us discuss the next, that is leucine. Leucine, LEU, leucine. What is structure? So it is NH3 positive, CHCO minus CH2, and then there is a CH3, and then there is a next one, that is isoleucine. Isoleucine, that is ILE. Isoleucine, ILE, and we can write here isoleucine, ILE, and if you see the structure, it is CHCO minus NH3 positive, then it is CH CH3 CH2 CH3. So these are all amino acid with aliphatic side chain. So glycine, alanine, valine, leucine, and isoleucine. So it is a branch aliphatic side chain. Branch aliphatic side chain for leucine and isoleucine, valine, leucine, and isoleucine. While in case of glycine, R group is hydrogen, alanine, R group is your methyl group is there. Let us discuss the second type of classification, that is the amino acid with hydroxyl group. Amino acid with hydroxyl group as a R group or a hydroxyl group. So the amino acid contain hydroxyl group. Then these are first one, that is your serine, Serine, serine. If you see the structure, then it is CH2OH. Again, the remaining is same. This is your serine. Second, that is your threonine. Threonine, THR, threonine. Then it is having CH, it having CH, OH, CH3, CO minus NH3 positive. This is your threonine. And the third one, that is your tyrosine. Actually, this tyrosine, it is included in aromatic amino acids, but it contain hydroxyl group. Therefore, we consider here it is tyrosine. So if you consider its structure, then it is CH, CO minus NH3 positive. Then it is attached to this CH2 and this ring having the hydroxyl group. So these are the amino acid having a hydroxyl group, that is serine, threonine, and tyrosine. Let us discuss the next type of amino acid, that is sulfur containing amino acids. Sulfur containing amino acids. So the first one, that is your cysteine, Cystine, cysteine. So you can consider just cysteine, Cys, and then the structure is NH3 positive. Then it is CHCOO minus having CH2SH. The second is your cysteine. So the spelling is different, the pronunciation is same, cysteine. So it does not having any symbol. So it is a sulfide bridge structure. This is your NH3 positive, CHCOO minus. This is sulfur. This is your CS2, sulfur bridge or sulfide bridge is there, and then there is this carbon is there, hydrogen is there, CO minus is there, and this is your NH3 positive. So CS2, SSCH2. So these amino acids having a sulfur, that is cysteine and cysteine. Again, there is one more amino acid which contains sulfur, that is methanoine. So let us discuss its structure. Third one, that is methionine. Methionine, MAT. Its symbol is MAT, and its structure is CHCO minus NH3 positive, and it having CS2 S CS3. So methionine. So these are the three, that is cysteine, and methionine. So these are the sulfur containing amino acid. Let us discuss some acidic amino acids and basic amino acids. So here you consider acidic amino acids. and here we consider basic. So acidic amino acid, the amino acid having two carboxylate group, they are considered as a acidic amino acid. The first one is your aspartic acid ASP, and if you see the structure, it is very simple. It is NH3 positive, and this is your CS2 COH group is there, or we can write this as in anionic form, not anionic, ionic form is there. Second is your glutamic acid GLU, then it is CHCO minus NH3 positive, it having CS2 COO minus. This is your glutamic acid. So let us discuss the basic amino acid. First one is your lysine. So it contains two amino group, that is lysine NH3 positive CHCOO minus, it having CS2 4 times NH3 positive. This is your lysine. The symbol is LYS. Then the next one, that is your arginine. The symbol is ARG, and if you see the structure of this arginine, it is CHCO minus NH3 positive, then it having CS2 3 times NH double, the carbon double bond NH2 positive, and this is your NH2. And one more amino acid, that is basic amino acid, that is your histidine. Histidine is there. Histidine HIS, its symbol is HIS. Arginine, lysine, arginine, and histidine. So its structure is, if you see the structure, it is the 5-member ring. Nitrogen is there, and if you see the structure here, double bond is there, NH, here CS2, here CHCOO minus, and having NH3 positive. So these are the acidic and basic amino acid. So acidic amino acid, aspartic and glutamic; basic, lysine, arginine, and histidine. One more is there, that is aromatic amino acids. Let's discuss this aromatic amino acids. Aromatic amino acid. Aromatic amino acid, in which there is a first, that is phenylalanine. If you see the structure, it is CS2 CHCOO minus, having NH3 positive. This is your phenylalanine. Second, that is tyrosine. So we already discussed this tyrosine in hydroxy, that is this aromatic ring having a OH group, that is tyrosine. Next one, that is your tryptophan. TRP, the symbol is TRP, and if you see the structure, nitrogen is there, double bond, CS2 having CHCO minus NH3 positive. So this is your tryptophan. So phenylalanine, tyrosine, and tryptophan, so they are aromatic amino acids. And one more amino acid is there, that is amino acid. So let's discuss this amino acid. It is different from all amino acid. It is called proline. amino acid, that is proline. Its symbol is pro. And if you see the structure, it is NH, having this hydrogen, having COO minus. And if you see the structure, uh, HCO minus NH, and this group, it is your considered as R group. This is your R group, so it is your proline. So this is all about the classification of amino acid based on structure, that is based on aliphatic side chain, based on hydroxyl group, based on sulfur, and then acidic amino acid, basic amino acids, and the aromatic amino acids, and the last one is amino acid. In next lecture we will discuss the different types of classification of this amino acid. So this classification is based on the structure. So this is all about the classification of amino acid on the structure. In next lecture we will discuss the different types of classification again, different types of classification of this amino acid. Thank you.